A fraction in lowest or simplest or reduced form means in which the numerator and the denominator have no common factors or no common divisors other than 1. Here we have 88 by 4. To find its reduced form, we have to prime factorize 88 and 4. Then cancel common factors or common numbers or common divisors from the numerator and the denominator. Okay, let's try to do 88. It is an even number, right? So we can have here the smallest prime number 2. 88 by 2 means from 8 how many 2's can take away is 4 2's. From next 8 also we can take away 4 2's. Again we have even number 2 possible, right? From 4 how many 2's is 2 2's are 4. 2 2's are 4. Again we have even number by 2. 22 by 2, right? 11. What about 11? It is a odd number. At the same time, it is an example for prime number. Okay. So, how many 11's can take away from 1 11? As 1 only, right? 11 by 11 is equals to 1. So, prime factorization of 88 is over. 88 is equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 11, right? Then all divided by, next we have 4. Prime factorization of 4 is so easy. 4 is an even number. So 4 by 2 possible, right? 4 by 2, 2. Again by 2. Yes, 1. Over no? 4 equals to 2 into 2. Our next step, yes, cancel the common numbers or common factors from the numerator and the denominator. 2 by 2 is 1 by 1. Okay. Next 2 by 2, 1 by 1. Common numbers over, right? Left over here 1 into 1 into 2 into 11, 22, right? By 1 into 1, 1. Okay. Its reduced form or lowest form or simplest form is 22 by 1, or if you need you can write 22. Is it clear, children? 100 by 30. We have to do first prime factorization of 100. Is an even number 2 possible, no? 100 by 2, or from 10 how many 2's can take away is 5. Then bring down this 0, or half of 100 is 50, or 100 divided by 2 is equals to 50. Clear, no? Again we have even number by 2 possible. Okay. From 5 how many 2's can take away? Yes, 2 2's are 4. Remainder there 1. It becomes 10. From 10 how many 2's can take away? Yes, 5. Or 50 divided by 2, 25. Or half of 50 is 25. So easy, right? Next, we have 25. It is an odd number. What about 2? Smallest prime number 2 we cannot have here. Why? 25 is not a multiple of 2. Next prime number 3. Possible or not? 25. Digit sum 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 is not a multiple of 3. So we cannot have here 3. The next prime number 5 is 5 is possible. 25 is a multiple of 5. 5 5's are 25. Okay. So 25 divided by 5 is 5. Now we have 5. Prime number, we can take it outside. Prime factorization is over. So 100 equals to 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Okay. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 25s are 100. Clear now? Next we have to do prime factorization of 30. Even number, no? So we can have here 2. From 3, how many 2's can take away as 1? Remainder there 1 becomes 10. From 10, how many 2's as 5? 5 2's are 30. Or 30 divided by 2, 15. Or half of 30, 15. What about 15? It is a odd number. So we cannot have here 2. The next prime number 3. Possible or not? Yes, let's check. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 is a multiple of 3. So we can have here 3. 15 divided by 3, 5. What about 5? Is a prime number. We can take it into outside. 5 by 5, 1. Prime factorization is over. 30 is equals to 2 into 3 into 5. Right? Now we have to cancel common numbers or factors from the numerator and the denominator. Here 2 by 2 is 1 by 1. The next common factors 5 by 5 is 1 by 1. Common factor is over. Then 1 into 2 into 1 into 5. Answer 10. Divided by here 1 into 3 into 1 is 3. So its reduced form or lowest form is 10 by 3. So easy, right? Now we have 625 by 125. First, prime factorization of 625. It's not an even number, so we cannot have here 2. The next prime number 3. Possible or not? Let us check. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 is not a multiple of 3. So we cannot have here 3. The next prime number 5 is possible, no? Here ones place digit is 5. From 6, how many 5's can take away is only 1. 1 into 5, 5. Remainder here 1. So it becomes 12. From 12, how many 5's is? 2 5's are 10. Again here remainder 2. It becomes 25. From 25, we can take away 5 5's. Again we have odd number. What about this? Is it a multiple of 3? 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 is not a multiple of 3. So we cannot have here 3. The next 5. Yes. Ones place digit here 5. So from 12 we can take away 2 5's. Right? Remainder there 2. Becomes 25. From 25 we can take away 5 5's. Again we have odd number. So 2 impossible here. Then 3. 2 plus 5 7. Not a multiple of 3. So we cannot have here 3. Next we have prime number 5. 25 by 5 is 5. It is a prime number. Then we have to take it into outside. 5 by 5 1. So prime factorization is over. This is equals to 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Right? All divided by, next we have 125. 125. It is an odd number. So by 2 impossible. Then by 3. 1 plus 2 plus 5. Answer 8. 8 is not a multiple of 3. So we cannot have here 3. Next we have 5 as possible. 125 divided by 5. From 12 we can take away 2 5s. Then remainder here 2. It becomes 25. From 25, 5 5s we can take. Again odd number by 5 possible. Okay. 125 equals to 5 into 5 into 5. Now common factors 1 by 1, 1 by 1, 1 by 1. Here simplest form or lowest form is 5 by 1 or 5. What about reduced form of a fraction? Clear, no?